ends. Nice. You get that good? Of a Chinese garden. Earlier there was a lot of rain. But there's no rain right now, is it? And that. Yes, you have a bad feelings. We couldn't ask the people if we're not waiting to go on here today.
Blessing.
Yeah.
We reach it,
I want to go to the right place. It's a big church, don't it?
Yeah, man, a big church, man.
Yeah. But me I say, I look for a little decoration in the church and little thing there.
Emmanuel,
You never did.
look for decorating in the church?
Yeah.
You don't know the song you can call me because we got this next media. Good luck.
Alright guys, checking, testing, 1 2 1 2. Alright, so we just arrived on a Whitney, is it guys? One thing. So the equipment we use today is this is a Goda TT6. It's the Goda AD600. This is a strobe, very powerful. It has 6,000 watt power. So we're using this today. We're also using this 40-inch softbox. See that? Also, this is the stand for the lighting. And this is a Nikon C6. The lens of the panel now is a 85. Alright. Also we have a 50. Also we have a NYX flash. This is a TT600. Alright. We also have 2 battery for the camera. Now we have the rechargeable batteries for the flash. We also have this receiver. This receiver go on top of the camera to operate the flashes. Alright. So this is the setup process right now. One thing guys, the church hot. Come on, the church hot bad. Fan turn on, but I not feel the fan them. I know what I go on. I know what I go on and tell people. Okay guys, so this is the 42-inch beauty dish. Yeah. So I was saying this is the 40-inch beauty dish. In here hot real man, I did. So see it here guys, this is the beauty dish. Hello, good morning. So you see it there, we are set up the beauty dish right now. It's very easy to set up. This comes with some clam. When you put it in, you just turn it, and when it make a sound, a click sound, that means it's connected. See here guys, so let's stand up on here already and thing. Everything connected so far. Everything looking good. So that's our first step. So this is our first lighting setup. So I'm gonna set up the next lighting setup now, and this other stand.
Ikaw na rin sa yan yung carpet. Copy of text media. Good luck.
We are gonna put in the batteries, rechargeable batteries in the TT600. Yes, sir, bro. Yes, you have a bad feelings. Could I ask the people if we're not wedding go on here today?
Listen,
Yeah.
we reach it here.
I want to go there right place. It's a big church, don't it?
Yeah, man, a big church, man.
Yeah. But me I say, me look for facility decoration in church and little thing there.
Emmanuel,
You never
I
did.
look for see decorating that church.
Yeah, yeah, I say that.
Me not think no only for decorating the car. I really want private thing, you know.
Oh, alright.
So, yeah, I don't know where. But me the outside still.
Yeah, the outside of forward in.
Yeah, man.
Alright, in your hat, man.
I think
Yeah.
we did for come, we don't even know. Me I forward in there now, come see what I got.
Alright.
Yeah.
You say no nothing big, that is a private thing. I know. Hey, look how you for real. Alright guys, so the setup here, big box there right there, so with the TT600. Next setup have a TT600, as it, a little flash. And so the camera here now guys. Z61 with a 85mm lens, my favorite lens, with a receiver. Alright, so I'm going to turn on the camera now and see what I get. Turn on the receiver. Alright, the receiver turn on and thing. Alright, next thing for the now, turn on my strobe. Turn on the flash. Alright, so I turn on my flash there. Flash boots up. Alright, so I turn on the other flash too. Alright, so everything looks solid, you know. The two flash there on. One thing. Alright. Alright, so right now I switch my camera to the aperture f2.8. The ISO, the shutter speed 400. So we are gonna do a little test here now and see. Let's see what we get. So we are doing a little testing now. Alright. Alright, so everything look alright, I know. I could try again. Alright, so everything look good so far, guys. Alright, so you guys will stick around to the video anyway. If you don't have any question, remember to like, share and subscribe. I said this church is very big, as you know, very big church. Today I wait though, we should have started from 10:30 and nobody not reach it. So we're very early. The people in late, I don't know. But we are going to watch how I go and see him, you see it? Okay. Place wet. Yeah. Alright, right down there, good. Yeah, down to that entrance. Yeah, people, so the place wet over Chinese garden. Earlier there was a lot of rain. There's no rain right now, is it? And that's that right now.
Yeah.
You alright, that's it? See the guys, we out there shoot, that's it. Man, we out there shoot, see him, yeah. Sure, no, go on and see it. Yeah, picture and video. Alright, you can kiss it now. Kiss her hands. Nice. You get that good? Yeah, people, so right now we don't work on thing, you see it? Now we write that stuff on the gas pump, you see it? Yeah, we get some gas. Now we touch back at Portland. Hopefully you guys enjoy the vlog today. We try to do our best. Rain come down and the shoot did have a cut. But we do a thing and the shoot work out, you know, you wet and work out and things, you know, you see it? Yeah. Right now we have the gas pump, as I tell you. They get gas. Very, very reasonable right here, so you see it? Yeah man, very reasonable. See that? Alright, I'm not knocking your face, man. Here? Alright. Alright people, so the gas gain in the car and things, so we are gonna make a move and everything, you see it? So in car well full up of gas.
You don't know the sir, you can carve it. You want me to go to the next